Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide Snapchat charms. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your Snapchat app. Now click on chat. Now long press on your friend's name. Here you can see view friendship. Click on that. Now scroll down. Here you can see some charms. If you want to hide it, click on any charms. Click on three dots. Here you can see hide charms. Click on that. Click on hide. So this is how you can hide Snapchat charms on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.